here. Found the lights and the key. Trying to figure out how to get the top down. It's got this little lever right here, and when I do that, it says extend cargo shade. Anybody know where the cargo shade is?
I'm going to show you how easy the top goes down in the new Buick Cascada.
You're a liar. Yeah, I got the instructions out. The manual, I mean. That was it right there. Overall, I could be wrong about this, but I think it's just a Verano with a soft top. Definitely. It's pretty slick. This doesn't mean anything to me, but I'm sure some of you folks on the internet would like to see this.